Hey guys, we're gonna do a little unboxing. I have two boxes here. We're gonna dive into one of them first. Let's start off with a smaller one first. So let's just move that out of the way. Let's unbox this one first. Okay, got the shipping box out of the way. Let's go see what's in here. Aha. This is a hint of what locomotive I got. Let's go see what. So there's supposed to be 3 of them, isn't there? There's the other one. And here's the third one. Let's unbox these really quick. It's really easy to do. That was easy. Trucks feel a little bit hot. Very nice detail. I like that Lionel put the real log with them. Put this like right here. This feels the same, but now this gives you a hint of what engine I got. So it's either a Shea or a Heisler. It's narrowed down to 2 now, so let's go into the bigger box. Got the engine out of the shipping box, and it is indeed a Heisler locomotive. I'm gonna take a quick look through this manual. It shows you how to put your locomotive on the track and also should oil it, and many other things including maintenance. All that jazz is in your manual. So let's get this locomotive out. This is my first time ever seeing this thing. I've never seen, and of course we don't want to do that because the box was upside down. So let's flip it over. Yeah. Okay, let's open this up. Ooh, looks nice. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, so here is the screw to connect the engine and tender together. Nothing in here. Alright. So let's take a look at the tender first. It's a pretty heavy tender. Wow. This looks very nice. If this opens, that's really cool. On and off switch, I'll have to look at that later. Toolbox opens, I think. It looks like it does. Oh, yep, it does. It's really cool. So that's how the back wheels are powered. That is really cool. So let's put the tender down. Gently place this back in the box. Okay. Ooh. Oh yeah. There it is. Cooler than ever. Can't wait to run it. Let's put this on the. Let's move stuff out of the way. So guys, there she is. The Pickering Lumber Company Heisler locomotive. So here we have the Lionel Heisler coupled up to her train. First run, here we go.
Pickering Lumber number 5, you are cleared on the grade.
There she goes. you know, let's put the Heisler locomotive and my K-Line Shea locomotive head to head. These are my two logging locomotives, and they're my favorite engines in my collection.